everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Marianellyy. So as you already read by today's title, today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite Olaplex products. But first, I would like to say Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a wonderful start to their new year. Also, I would like to know if you guys have any New Year's resolution. I have a New Year's resolution, and that is to wash my hair more often. I'm the type of person that I'll push my wash day and I'll go up to 7 days without washing my hair. Not that it's bad, but I usually listen to my scalp. If my scalp is not itchy, I'm not gonna wash my hair. I'll just throw my hair in a bun or throw on a cap and just keep pushing my wash day. But sometimes I just want my curls to look good all the time. So that's the reason why I want to start washing my hair more often. So I'm aiming to wash my hair every 4 days now. So far, I've been doing that since the beginning of the year and it's been working out for me. One thing that I have been doing is washing my hair at night and then styling the next day. I know that curly hair can be a lot of maintenance. For me, it's half a shift. Honestly, from washing my hair, styling, and then doing treatments and all that, it really sums up to like 3-4 hours of just doing my hair. Like I said, curly hair is a lot of maintenance. If you want your curls to look good, then you have to put in the work. A lot of people always tell me, oh my god, I wish I had curly hair. But honestly, curly hair is a lot of work and it's not easy to maintain them. They're not always looking this good. I mean, I just styled my curls and I do a lot of treatments to keep my curls healthy. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite Olaplex products. One of my ultimate favorite product and most used product from Olaplex is Olaplex #3. So if you guys have been following me here on my channel, you guys know how much I love Olaplex #3. So when Olaplex reached out to me to collaborate, I was so excited. But today's video is sponsored by Olaplex. So thank you so much, Olaplex, for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited to be sharing with you my favorite Olaplex products. Of course, when I start filming, my neighbors want to mow their lawn. They literally mow their lawn like every single day. Yesterday they mowed their lawn, today again. Why? We're just gonna wait. So last year, Olaplex released a new product, and that product is their clarifying shampoo. This shampoo I loved since day one. I really wanted to get my hands on it when it came out. The reason for that is because it removes hard water. This shampoo is supposed to remove all the nasty residue that is left on your hair, even chlorine. So the reason why this shampoo is one of my favorites from Olaplex is because it's a great clarifying shampoo that does not strip your hair. Some clarifying shampoos leave your hair very dry. That's because it's stripping your hair from all that nasty buildup that you have put on your hair from either the past months or weeks or whatever it has been. But usually some of them leave your hair feeling very dry. This shampoo does not leave my hair feeling super dry like some other ones do. My hair still feels hydrated and just feels very clean at the same time. This shampoo is also sulfate free and it is pH balancing. One thing that's been really helping me out to wash my hair more often is washing my hair at night. So last night I washed my hair using the clarifying shampoo so I can prep my curls for today. So what I'll do is wash my curls at night. I'll put in a leave-in conditioner. I'll let my curls air dry. Once I'm ready for bed, I'll do braids on my hair so my hair doesn't get like super tangled when I sleep. I personally like to clarify my curls every 2 weeks just because I know that I put a lot of product on my hair. If you feel like your hair is very weighed down or the products that you're putting on top are not penetrating, maybe it's because you have to clarify your curls. Another product that I've been loving and incorporating in my Olaplex routine is Olaplex #0. I've been loving this product. This is a primer for Olaplex #3. Olaplex #0 is going to help Olaplex #3 penetrate your hair deeper. 0 and 3 are supposed to be used together, but they are sold separately. I have hair color in my hair, so using Olaplex #3 is okay for me. I don't really need a #3, but I've been incorporating it in my hair and I really love how both of them work together. #0 is supposed to be used on dry hair. It is a primer for #3, so you want to put in #0 in before #3. #0 delivers the highest concentration of the patented bond building technology that Olaplex offers from any other take-home products. So for me personally, the way I like to use these two products is by clarifying my curls a night before. You do not have to clarify your curls to use Olaplex #0 and #3. They are meant to be used on dirty hair. Olaplex #0 is recommended for those of you who have extreme damaged curls. It's gonna really help Olaplex #3 penetrate your hair and really repair all those broken bonds. So if you have extreme damaged curls, I would definitely recommend buying Olaplex #0 along with the Olaplex #3. #0 is supposed to go on dry hair. I like to put mine in sections to fully saturate the hair as per the instructions. I also like to brush it through after applying it all over my hair. You're supposed to leave it in for 10 minutes to let it absorb into your hair. After the 10 minutes are done, it's time to apply number 3. I also like to apply this in sections to my hair, that way all my hair is covered with both products. You're supposed to leave both 0 and 3 in together for another 10 minutes per instructions. I personally like to leave my treatments in for at least 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes have gone by, I like to jump in the shower, use shampoo, and also use conditioner. Sometimes I like to use a mask in replacement of a conditioner. Olaplex No. 0 is recommended for those of you who have extreme damaged curls. It's gonna really help Olaplex No. 3 penetrate your hair and really repair all those broken bonds. So if you have extreme damaged curls, I would definitely recommend buying Olaplex No. 0 along with the Olaplex No. 3. Also remember that 0 and 3 are not a protein treatment, they are a bond building treatment. So if you're looking for protein, you're not gonna get protein from either product. And my next favorite is Olaplex No. 8. This is their moisturizing mask. I've been really loving this moisturizing mask. It really moisturizes my curls. The way I like to use this is after I wash my curls. This mask is supposed to give you shine, moisture, and smooth hair. I feel every time that I use this mask that my hair is so moisturized and it leaves my curls super soft. This moisture mask does not contain a lot of protein. It does contain some protein, but it does not contain as much as I would like it to. So usually with this mask, I like to apply a protein mask along with it. So I mix them together and apply it to my hair. So since we are in winter, my curls have been the driest ever. So I've been incorporating heat whenever I use a hair mask. Like I said before, I like to leave any treatment or mask in for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And then I rinse and style as usual. And these are my final results after styling my curls. I just love every time I use Olaplex, my curls are just so bouncy again and just look so healthy. So this will conclude my Olaplex favorites for healthy curls. Please check the description box for any special offers. I do have an affiliated code now with Olaplex, so you guys are welcome to use it. And I want to say thank you in advance for anyone who uses it. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I do post often down there. Also, if you guys want to see Spanish videos from me, follow me on TikTok. Para los que han querido ver videos en español míos, en TikTok yo he estado poniendo videos en español. Así que síganme en TikTok para ver más contenido mío en español. Es mi mismo nombre como en todos, Marianellyy. So once again, thank you Olaplex for sponsoring today's video. And thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you for all your support. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I hope you guys are back to see my next video. Bye everyone.